Daisies, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in my laundry room because we are about to transform this space. So my dryer, oh faithful, went out on me about a week or two ago, and I have a new one that's being delivered this upcoming Monday. And so I decided, you know what, since the dryer has gone out, the washer is about to be the hole in my floor. When it gets on the rinse cycle, it does this really hard, like boom 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 boom. So I'm like, okay, if I'm about to have to get a new washer and a dryer, why not just transform the laundry room? I've always wanted to do it, but I've never had a matching set to do it. So now that we're gonna have a matching set, I'm like, let's get this party rolling. Like, I want to really make this into like just like a really fun, unique space. It's gonna be different from all my other rooms because, you know, all of my other rooms I have really a neutral concept. Black and white or brown or beige, neutrals, that type of thing. And I think in here I want to add some color. Definitely want to add color. So I have a color in mind. We're going to go to the store and we're going to Home Depot. Because Home Depot has everything that I'm about to pick up for in here. I've already contacted my painter contractor to get everything done. Do I know how to paint? Absolutely. Do I feel like it? Do I have time to? I do not. So I'm gonna go ahead on and let the painter paint. I am doing a peel and stick wallpaper. I will be doing that myself, but I didn't want to paint and do the wallpaper at the same time. So anyway, I have a lot of ideas for this space, y'all, and I'm excited. I'm excited to bring y'all along with me. It has been a minute since I've done a full like room transformation from the start in my house. And y'all know that's my thing. Like, that is my thing. So we're about to go out and get everything needed for this room. I need to take these signs down. I probably am going to keep this laundry sign though, because I actually really like that sign, and it kind of is going to go with the vibe that I'm doing in here, because I want it to feel like just spa but like unique, you know what I'm saying? I want it to be different. Anyway, we're gonna have to pull the dryer out. The dryer comes before the washer, so the washer is coming at a later date in a few weeks. So once that gets here, everything else should already be in place. I'm about to pick up, I know before the dryer delivers, I definitely want to have the flooring that I want to put in here, like at least under this area right here, so that we don't have to move the dryer when the new one comes, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, y'all, let's go on this adventure. I'm excited. Like, my adrenaline is rolling. It has been a minute since I have like really felt like my adrenaline just like excited to decorate like this. Yeah, so let's roll out. All right, guys, before we leave, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is the main wall that the washer and dryer is on. I've actually had this dryer for about 15 years. It has done me very, very well. So I said I wasn't getting another one until it went out, but it is time. The washer, maybe 8 years, but it's acting up too. So yeah, then of course the laundry rack that most people have in their houses. Then if you turn, you have this wall with the window. And then on this side over here, guys, this is where we kept like all of the Sam's Club, like in this corner, all the Sam's Club snacks, the tissue, paper towel. We would just stack the boxes up against the wall pretty much, and it has, as you see, marked up and colored up my wall because of the boxes and containers. So I'm going to be adding some shelving in that corner. And focus. Okay, y'all, it's not trying. Okay, and on this back wall back here as well, so that we don't have to worry about that anymore. And then this is the original flooring that I'm going to be replacing too. This is the original tile. Hate it. Let's get to it. Guys, going to Home Depot to get cabinets, backsplash, a whole lot of. I should probably get a basket. I probably wouldn't mind having one of these at the bottom in between the washer and the dryer if it fits. because this is just one single with the shelf, which is, I don't know. They also have this one, which has the 2 doors that I could put down at the bottom in between. Well, I can't open it. Here you go. Well, they all are sealed. So I'm gonna measure the space to see if I have space for a 12. A 12 might be too long. I might need like an 8 or a 10. All right, now I need to get paint. Where is the silky white? I actually have, this one already in my house, silky white. So got cabinets. I have 2. So we gonna see how this go. And then I have all these paint samples up here, guys. I have all these paint samples up here because I think I want to do like a pop of green. I was thinking I want to stay away from this, I believe, because all my rooms are like black and white. So I want to do like a pop of color, and green is really pretty. So we have all these. I really love the green, and I don't know, something about the green is just doing something for me. So I have these paint samples from Home Depot, and I'm trying to figure out like which one do I want. But here's the thing, I don't know if I want to do paint on the wall or paint the cabinets green. Decisions. But I will say I do like the lighter shade. I don't know why this is coming off as a blue green. It is not. It's very, but all these colors are sage. What y'all think? 1, 2, 3, or 4. All right, guys, I have 2 paint samples that I just picked up from Home Depot. One is, what is this? I know one is Millweed Pod and one is Ecological. Okay, yeah, this is Millweed Pod, this is Ecological. I'm about to put them both on the wall. These were 2 other samples that I was considering, but they're too dark, so we just got these samples. So let's see. This is Millweed Pod. Oh, it's so different, y'all. I'm going green, going green. Millweed Pod. And then this is Ecological. Why y'all look the same? I'm just gonna go ahead and run in Dunkin' because the line is too long. Look at my nails. I'm gonna get my nails done after I get through doing all this DIY and laundry room work. Okay, so now I'm just waiting on my painter. And once the painter comes, then I'm gonna run back out and run some errands. Really for some other stuff. Y'all, I'm really okay. So I'm debating, I've been on Pinterest, and now I'm like, do I want to do green or do I want to do like a cocoa brown? I could mix the 2 together. They're all so pretty. And then it's like the ones that I see that I really are liking, it's like the cabinets are green, and the wall isn't. And it actually looks more modern and more design like, with the cabinets being green as opposed to the wall itself being green. So I think I'm gonna do that. This rack is off the wall. I'm gonna take it out of here. Then we're taking the rest of the stuff off. Guess we'll put it in the living room. I don't know if y'all saw, but these are the shelves that we're installing. And I'm actually about to go back to Home Depot and get one to go right here in the middle across the top. All right, y'all, just made it to Home Depot. About to go in here and get the middle piece of the cabinet, let's see where it is right quick. My order is ready for pickup. I ain't gonna lie, they do move fast. It's this middle piece of cabinet, just a little bit extra storage space. Oh shoot! Not the cart running away from me. Okay, y'all. So I didn't take the other stuff out of the car earlier today. Whew. It's this piece, y'all. Oh, it's big. Woo! Y'all probably saying, Jenny girl, don't you got a man? I do, y'all. But my man is at work. He been on the road. But he'll be home tonight. And then we got projects to work on with this tomorrow together. But y'all know I'm a do-it-yourself girl when I need to be. Ooh. We got the cabinets up and installed, so now I'm about to take the doors off so that I can paint them green. So at this point, I actually got indecisive about what color green I wanted to use, or if instead of painting the cabinets green, if I wanted to do a neutral taupe color instead. So it took me a while to make up my mind, but you'll see in the next video what I decided to do.